guys, so today I've got a mystery box to show you which is absolutely giant, but weirdly you can't actually buy this mystery box. So basically it's from Dresslily, and they told me that they were going to do a mystery box and they were going to send me one, but then when it arrived and I asked for the link for it, they said that they couldn't get the mystery box sorted in time, so now they're just selling everything separately. So I'm just going to show you what's in here anyway, and then if you want to buy these things separately you can do. I do have a discount code which is LunaDL, so I'll put that here and in the information below, but that gets $3 off if you spend over $25, so it's just a little bit of a discount. And they're also doing a giveaway as well, so if you follow me on Instagram and follow them on Instagram, I'll put both of our Instagrams in the description as well, and you comment on one of their pictures, Haunt Me Dresslily, they're gonna package up a box of all this stuff and send it to one person that wins that as well, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get into this and show you. It's some pretty random stuff, like there's some big items in here, and I do quite like it, so I'm gonna put the box on the floor because it's absolutely giant and I'll just get each item out randomly. So the first thing we've got in here is one of these little blood drip necklaces. I've not actually had one of these before, but I see them around quite a bit. I'll open it and show you what it looks like. So it's like a choker kind of thing, and it's like a jelly, and it's supposed to make it look like blood coming out of your neck. Let's see. So looks like this. I have this around my neck right now, but I'll hold it up so you can see. It would look like that kind of thing, which is pretty cool. I kind of like that. So that's the first item. And next we have this, which I think is an ice cube tray. Okay, so I mean, I'm pretty sure it's an ice cube tray. Yeah, it must be. So this is what they look like in here. So there's like these ones with headphones. This one, I'm not sure what this one says up there. Maybe hello? Does it say hello? And then this one with a hat on. So you'd fill this with water, and then this part is the top half, so you'd put that in there. And then there's little holes, so I'm assuming you would pour water and fill those up, and then when it's frozen and you take them out, it will make like 3D skulls. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to give that a try and see if it works, because they'll be pretty cool if they work. Next we have a cushion cover. Like I said in one of my last videos, cushion covers seem to be a thing that everyone sends these days. This is what this one looks like. It's pretty cute. It's like a burlap kind of material, and there's a little black cat on a broom and a naughty looking pumpkin at the bottom, so that's cute. And then we've got this, which I'm not going to get out because I don't actually have a shower, but this is a shower curtain. So it's got like a scene on it of like a castle, well, a mansion, maybe like a haunted mansion, and bats and stuff. And then these are your hooks up here. Maybe I'll try and insert a picture here now to show you what it looks like when it's up, because like I said, I don't have a shower to put a shower curtain up, so there's no point in me opening it up really and kind of messing with it. But I will put a picture here now. And then we've got 3 things left. So we've got these packets of tiny creepy little spiders. I'm not really sure what you're supposed to do with these. I guess you could do anything with them really. There is literally hundreds of them. Little spiders, if it would focus, like this. I guess you could like put these on a table as decoration, or you could like put them in your ice cubes and just make sure nobody drinks them. Whatever you want really. Then next is the biggest item in the box, and this is a rug, so like a mat for the floor, and it is a big pumpkin. Actually, I'll get it out and then we can see it better. It's super velvety soft, by the way. So up here is a huge pumpkin, and then there is an even bigger, angrier looking one, and then an even bigger one, and then right at the bottom it says Happy Halloween. So this is pretty giant, if you can tell. and it's got like a rubber kind of back so it won't slide around. But this is really cute. If it didn't say Happy Halloween at the bottom, I would probably put this in my room and leave it up all year round. But that's sweet. And then the last thing is my favourite thing, and it is this light, like a projector. So I'll show you what it looks like and what you get in here, but then I'll also plug it in the dark and show you what happens. So it comes with this plug, which if you're in the UK you can't use those plugs, so I've just been using a USB plug with this USB lead. This plugs into here, and then there's little buttons on the front, so you can I think you can speed it up and slow it down, and then the one in the middle turns it on and off and changes the colour. So basically when you turn it on, this moves really slowly and the colours change, and it projects like a really creepy water kind of looking thing on the ceiling. Like I said, I'll turn all the lights off and everything and I'll show you in a minute, but you can change it between like red, blue, green, multicoloured. But it's really calming actually. I kind of like it, and I don't know if it's supposed to make a sound because it has this here, but it does make a little bit of a sound as well. But I had a really bad headache the other day and I left this on and I was watching it and it kind of made me feel a little bit better. So I really like this. This is what the light looks like when you turn it on, and you can press this button to change the colours like I said. But if I actually point it up to the ceiling, this is what it looks like. So, oh, you can't really see that one on my camera very well, it just looks blue, but I don't know, I just think it's really cool. Kind of looks pretty creepy, and like you're underwater. I'm just pressing through them, by the way, changing like the different colours and stuff. But so that's the little like projector light. Anyway, like I said, this was from Dresslily, so I'll put their link down below. I'll put the coupon code below, and I'll put the Instagrams down below and everything in case you want to go try win this stuff. But yeah, I hope you like this anyway, and if you did, then please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.